Hi, I am Anindam Malik. I like to welcoming all of you on my Python programming basic course. Our today's topic is decision control statements in Python programming. Let's start. Conditional statement. Decisional decision statements. That means we are take a decision. Means there is some condition. So decision control statements. We say it is a conditional statements also. Now, what is the means by conditional statements? For an example, if I say like, if you pass on math exam, then I give you a chocolate. If your father says that if you pass the math exam, I give you a chocolate. If you are not pass or otherwise, I provide you a tutor. That is a means. If you passed, then you give a chocolate. Your father give you a chocolate. Otherwise, if you are failed, means if you are not passed, then your father provide a new tutor for you. Means one condition. If one condition is true, then one statement is executed. For if one statement is for or means condition are false, then another statements are executed. Same as my example. Now, Python as the another language, if you are concerned about the another languages or programming languages, lots of conditional statements are there, same as for Python programming. In Python, suppose the four conditional statements, that is if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, then if else statement. Go to our Python shell. I like to show you the example. This is the example of the if statement. For an like we are take a variable that is x equals to 10. That means compiler means Python interpreter. Python interpreter is by default assigned as x at data type is integer on the runtime. Means Python interpreter or recognized is we are storing the value, assign the value as 10, so obviously it's becoming integer. Now check. This is the if keyword we used for if else. I think you are familiar. If you are if you are know the C programming also, you know that how to use what is the if statement or else statement. Okay. So same for the C also. Here Python also have it. If x is greater than 0, means you are checking the condition. If x value is greater than 0, there is a indentation, is blocker there. Go to the indented block, then x equals to x plus 1, means x value the increment by 1, x plus 1. Then we are printing the value of x. We are printing the value of x. So we are run our code, press the F5. Okay, there is a must we save it. So Control S, then press the F5. Okay, means check if what is the value of x. 10 is greater than 0. Yes, go to the block of if x equals to x plus 1, that means 10 plus 1, 11. X is assigned with 11. Print x. What is the value of printed? X value is printed, that 11 are printed. Example of if statement. Now go to the if else. Now this is the example of the if else statement. We are finding the which is larger. Find the larger value among the two numbers. We are taking the input, taking the two variable a and b, taking the input as using the input function. Data we are trying to take the input as integer. That's why we are typecasting. We use the int here for 2. Means int for a, we are using this int input, then enter the value of a, int input enter the value of b, then we are use the if statement. Check means what is the logic? If a is greater than b, obviously we are assigned the large, take a large variable assigned with a, obviously means a is large, otherwise large b is large. Same if a greater than b, if condition is true, go to the block, indentation block. Now take a variable large for storing the large value. Obviously if a greater than b, that means we are storing the value of a is assigned with large in large, that means a is large. Otherwise, go to the this else statement. Else, we use the keyword else. I think you are familiar with the if else on the C programming also. Now, else. Then go to the otherwise else part. Go to the this block of else. Large we assign with B. Then print large is equals to comma. This we are printing the value of large. So comma large. Click press on F5. Enter the value of A. For an example, we are take like 5. A value is 5. B value is 9. So large is 9, which is showing the correct answer. This is if else statement. Now, nested if. This is a nested if statement. What do you mean by nested if? Means one if to the and inside the another if. That means this if statement is inside the this statement. This is called nested if statement. We use the take a variable like num, taking as input the enter the number for typecast for input as an integer. That's why you are typecast using int. Now, if num is greater than equals to 0, then if condition is true, then go to the block of in this block. Then again there is a if statement. If num is greater than 10, then are printed the value num is greater than 0. This is a nested if statement. This if is inside the this if. If num is greater than 0, greater than equals to 0, there is an indentation sign using colon. This means this statement is block of this. Okay. If num greater than 0, num greater than 10, then go to the this block. Now press on F5. Value that is like 11. Yes, this is printed. First check 11 is greater than 0, greater than equals to 0. Yes, go to this block. Check if num greater than 10, then 11 greater than 10. Yes, that means num is greater than 10. This is a nested if statement. Last I like to show you that if else statement means we use in case of C we use the else if, but in case of Python use the elif keyword. Either using the else if, Python have a keyword that is called elif. Same way work is as a if else also. If else. If so, here we print the number. We are entering a number by user and like to print the number is negative, positive or equal to 0. What is it? We are printing about right, number. Now, num equals to input, enter a number. If num equals to 0, we are checking the num equals to 0. Go to the block of if, then printed. Our control is automatically go here because there is a block, indentation block. Printed the number is equal to 0. Not go to the this elif statement. Elif num greater than 0, num greater than 0. That means number is positive. Print the number is greater than 0. Otherwise, go to the else. Printed number is less than. Same as we are on the C, use the if else if or else statement. Same way you are using the Python. Press on F5. Enter a number. For an example, we use the like -1. Take a enter -1. Number is less than 0. Okay. That is a thing.